working days. Last day we have completed up to 5. Look at question number 6. I have told you you can do this sum. Once again I am telling, just have a look. The bisector of equal angles of an isosceles triangle PQR meet at O. Question number 6. This is an isosceles triangle PQR, and the bisector of angle Q and angle R meet at O. Clear? This angle is equal to this, and this is equal to this. The sides are equal. PQ is equal to PR. Prove that PO bisect angle QPR. Is it? Or angle P is the same thing. Now, given in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRQ meet at O. To prove PO bisects angle P. Clear? Now, is already given bisector of as angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So, half angle PQR would be equal to half angle PRQ. As they are equal, so their halves would be equal. In triangle, again you can use in triangle POQ and triangle POR. PQ is equal to PR is given already. Angle PQO is equal to angle PRO as half of PQR is equal to half of PRQ. So their half is PQO and this half is PRO. That's what I have written. They are equal, and PO is common side in both the triangles. Common side. So this side, this angle and this side. Oh, that we cannot take. We have to take this. Don't take PO as common side, that we cannot take. OQ is equal to OR as angle OQR is equal to angle ORQ. These angles are equal. This is half of PQR. So this would be equal. So triangle PQO is congruent to triangle PRO. Why? Side angle side condition. That's what. So angle QPO is equal to angle RPO CPCTC. So PO bisects angle P. Proved. If this angle is equal to this, PO is bisecting angle P. Now look at question number 7. It says, prove that the medians corresponding to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now, seven. Let ABC be an isosceles triangle in which CD is median and BF is median. First, these are equal. Right. In triangle A, okay, otherwise, let ABC be an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So that's what angle ABC would be equal to angle ACB, isosceles triangles property. CD and BF are medians respectively on AB and AC respectively. Correspondence to respectively. So therefore AD is equal to DB and AF is equal to FC. This is medians property. We know that medians divide the base into two halves. To prove CD is equal to BF, means medians are equal, we have to prove. Clear? We got this angle is equal to this angle. Now this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. Clear? In triangle, or they were equal, so their halves would be equal already. Okay. In triangle, we'll take BC, D and triangle BCF. Okay. BD is equal to CF. Why? Half of AB is equal to half of AC. Now BC is a common side, is it? See, it was an isosceles triangle, so the sides were equal, so their halves would be equal. And we know medians divide the side into two halves. Now BC is a common side. Angle DBC is equal to angle FCB. We have proved this angles, angle B and angle C are equal, as ABC was an equal isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle property. So side, angle, side, side, angle, side, the triangle is congruent. Therefore, triangle BCD is congruent to triangle BCF. SAS congruency condition. If they are congruent, CD is equal to BF, CP, CTC. Proved. This only we had to prove. Write it, question number 7. Look at question number 8. The figure is given. DPQ is an isosceles triangle in with DP is equal to DQ. A straight line CD bisect the exterior angle QDR. Prove that DC is parallel to PQ. Okay. This is very simple. What do we know? We know exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So angle QDR would be equal to sum of angle DQP and BPQ. First condition, these both angles are equal. Second condition, sum of these two is equal to angle QDR. Now bisector divides the angle into two half, exterior angle, and here we have equal angle means half is one angle. See here, question number 8. So if correspondence angle are question number 8. There is a question Q, P, D. This is CD. This is equal to this. Clear? This is R. This side is equal to this side. Now we have a triangle PQD which is isosceles, in which PQ is equal to given in triangle PQD, DQ is equal to DP, CD bisect angle QDR. Is it? To prove CD parallel to PQ. Okay. Now we have a solution. What we do is, given DQ is equal to DP, so therefore angle DPQ would be equal to angle DQP, that is base angles. This is one. Now this is number 1. Second, it says angle DPQ plus angle DQP is equal to angle QDR. Why? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So when we add this two angle, this will be equal to this full angle. Is it? This is number 2. Clear? Now, as it is given, or we can write from 1 and 2, 2 into angle DPQ is equal to angle QDR. Well, first we proved these two angles are equal. Second, we proved this angle plus this angle, this two angle is equal to this. So instead of writing this 2, I can write it 2 into DPQ is equal to angle QDR. Now CD bisect angle QDR according to the question. CD according to the question bisect angle QDR Is it? So that's what angle QDR is equal to, I can write angle RDC plus angle CDQ. I can write this angle plus this angle is equal to this full angle. I can write it, na? Okay, figure, let it be. I'm rubbing this portion. Or we can write it 2 angle DPQ is equal to 2 angle CDR. 2 this is equal to 2 this. Or angle DPQ is equal to angle CDR. Corresponding angle, which type of angle they are? Corresponding angle. So that's what CD parallel to PQ proved. This only we had to prove, this angles, these lines are parallel. Question number 9. You can see the figure is given, it's very clear. You have to take two triangles, that is PQS and RQS. PQS, angle P is a vertical angle, so angle S and angle Q will be 180 minus 50. 130 by 2, 65 each. And in triangle SQR, angle R is 110. So angle S is equal to angle Q will be 180 minus 110 by 2, 70 by 2, 35 each. So what will be angle PSR? 65 plus 35, 100 degree. So number 9 you have to do. Okay. Number 9 and 10 you finish it. According to the figure, you have to solve it. So you have to complete question number 9 and 10 you can solve. Question number 9 and 10 is the homework. Okay. Leave it till here today. Thank you.